Hi there YouTube, Daniel back at Daniel's Comics. This time I'm gonna show you a unboxing of a statue. It's my first statue and one of a few, I guess, to come in the future. I decided to start off my collection with a DC Bombshells statue, as suggested by the title of this video. So today I'm gonna show you a unboxing of this beautiful Harley Quinn bombshell statue. We got here, as you can see, and it's designed by Aunt Lucia and sculpted by Tim Miller. So yeah, I can't wait to get into this one. So with no further ado, let's just get it open. So now that I've tilted the camera a bit, let's get on with the unboxing. As you can see, there are some beautiful photos of Harley Quinn, and then the full artwork, design and everything on the short side. Then you have a few photos of other statues within the series of the Bombshell line, and you have another photo of the Harley Quinn bombshell statue. So let's get the box open. It was already unboxed at the shop where I picked it up, so it's already cut, and hopefully it didn't break any during transport. But yeah, it's a beautiful little statue here. Hopefully I won't break anything when I pick it up. Oh, there we have Harley's hand hanging on by a thread. Now the tricky part is to put it onto the base without damaging anything. And then attach the arm. Oh, it's an elastic band. There we go. There we have it. Beautiful, beautiful statue by DC Collectibles. I'm really happy with it. Let's celebrate with some more beer. So now that I have assembled the piece, I want to show you the statue more up close. For those of you that hasn't seen the statue, it really is a beautiful piece. The hair is well sculpted, and the gun as well. And you see this little Batman dongle or plushie thing, or plushie like thing hanging from the butt of the gun. It's a nice little detail, and the sculpt of the face is really good, and I really like the eyes and the paint job, everything about it. And yeah, the sculpt and the design by Aunt Lucia and the sculpt by Tim Miller is just awesome. And yeah, as I said, the hair looks great, and the jacket itself looks really good as well. And yeah, it's a really well put together, well designed and well sculpted piece. And this has gotten me interested in getting more of the Bombshell line statues and more statues overall. And I'm really looking forward to seeing more of it. And we can't really forget about the beautiful base as well. It's really well designed, and everything from the stands and from the little details of the batarang with the line hanging on to the bomb. And I'm really at awe about this statue. It really looks good, and the torpedo bomb is well designed as well. It looks really good. It really looks like one of those pinups you could find on a B-2 bomber or something like that. But yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this improvised unboxing and review of Harley Quinn, the Bombshell Deluxe Edition, I think it's called. And hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully there will be more of these type of videos to come in the future as well. You never know. But until next time, or the next unboxing, happy reading and happy collecting. Collect what you like, and see you around. Bye bye.